What's going on, y'all? Joshua here, and I'm back with Miss Kissy Face Pretty Girl. She wallowed in a big old nasty puddle over there. Huh, didn't you? Didn't you? Yes, down, baby. You smell like rubbish right now. All right, back up. Yeah, one of them good old stank puddles up here on Brush Mountain. Yep, that's where we are at today for a little quick ride. Dropping into Snyder's Knob. And then a little blip down Mineral Way. Just enough time for a short ride this afternoon, as I have to get back to the house and actually replace the elements in my water heater and do some adulting stuff, because I've been getting inconsistent hot water and it's not fun. So typically speaking, that's going to be an issue with old worn out elements. I have actually tested the resistance of them already, and they test okay, so they're probably super scaled up. It's a fairly old water heater. Okay, here comes the main goods. That's actually become a little baby drop right there. Pretty sweet. All right, make this cut. Well, in other news, old Captain Acock, my good buddy who took off to Cali, he sent me a bunch of new components. And some of it happens to be a SRAM drivetrain setup, and it'll be the XO mech, cassette, and shifter. Thanks, Captain Acock. Really excited to get that gear installed and see how well it performs. After, I didn't have it today, but after all my poor experience with the NX, really eager to see how well this stuff works. Boy, I feel like I haven't ridden this trail in ages. But along with the XO drivetrain, he was also very kind to send over some Hayes Dominion A4 brakes. So that's going to be an exciting experiment for the channel. See how well they perform. Now, he personally wasn't very happy with them. I think he said he just wasn't able to get them bled properly or in a way where they felt good. So it's going to be an experiment, kind of like me not clearing any of this stuff today. Wow. Am I even mountain biking, y'all? I will say one thing though. My right ACL is truly giving me some problems. So some of this stuff is actually getting it excited, and it's a bit tender. Oh, like that. Yeah, I might have to start wrapping it, y'all. Anyway, we get this little brief pedal section out of the way and continue on. And just like that, this kissy face pretty girl and myself are continuing on. This way, baby. Yoop. She didn't know it. Oh wait, or was she telling me that we needed to go on wavelength? Maybe that's it. Let's do a chill little lap down the old mineral way. But I am very curious how the EXO is going to work. The biggest thing about it though is that I should finally have a climbing gear. Stop, Mildred. And I'm wondering if I can finally pedal up some hills, which is something I haven't been able to do for an eternity, because none of my builds have really been conducive to climbing, more just pounding the gnar. Whoa, nice drift out there. That was slick. Glad I wasn't at speed. Easy to recover from. Come on, girly. No, ma'am. It's definitely pretty dry out right now. So it is bike sliding quite a bit. Let's see if she follows. Yoo-hoo! Full pine needle drift. Well, didn't clear it today, y'all. Yeah, I don't know how soon I'm going to try and get the brakes sorted because of all the internal routing and yada yada. But I'm definitely going to try and get this drivetrain sorted soon. Anyway, her and I have to get back to the top of the hill because we got to get to the truck. As always, I do greatly appreciate y'all tagging along, and stay tuned. I'll keep y'all posted about the knee. It's another reason I wasn't feeling overly confident going into that today, so it's sort of just pedaling back up right now. Yeah, I'm glad I chose to do mineral way instead of wavelength. Definitely for that. Because I genuinely enjoy pushing myself. I mean, I really dig this stuff. But anyway, in other news, if y'all want to see my experience with the water heater elements and thermostat replacement, check out the video link in the description below. We're out of here. Go love thy neighbors. Bye.